Ducks or Jew?
From where are you calling?
Australia po.
How old are you, Ate Nancy?
50.
Are you single, single mom, or widow?
I'm single mom and I'm divorced.
Okay, how long have you been divorced now?
6 years?
Oh, 6 years. So, ibig sabihin, nalipasan na kayo, ate. Pero, in fairness, ate, malalim pa rin yung irigasyon nyo, ha? Okay, so, at age of 50, kailangan mo pa ba talagang makahanap?
It's just a friend. If I like him and he likes me and we both understand each other and we get along, so why not?
So, paano ba yan, ate? Wala ka namang gata. 50 na.
Let's see how we go.
What do you most prefer? Older than you or younger than you?
I can be like same of my age or maybe older than me.
O, paano yan? Kapag 50 plus na, wala na yung flag ceremony. Oh? Are you agree with me?
You look handsome, Kuya Mar.
I'm not available, ate. Baka inuna. O, saan po ba kayo, nyo po ba gustong mag-settle down? In Australia or here in the Philippines alone?
Maybe half years in Philippines, half year in Australia.
Paano yan, ate? If ever you can find here, kaya pa ba ng tuhod nyo?
I'm a strong woman.
How many rounds can you get?
I can make 4 or 5 if I'm in the mood.
Oh! Oh no! Is that really possible for the age of 50 to have 4 rounds?
Yes, Kuya Mar.
Standing, kneeling, or sitting?
I love any position.
Wow! Amazing! Naku, si ate! Kumakaringking pa at 50. Wow! So guys, I'm begging you. Please, parang awa nyo na po. Let's go! Okay, what is your name by...
Frank
From where are you, Kuya Frank?
Negros, single lad.
Okay, so how long have you been single?
4 years.
Ate, 4 years daw, sago-sago na si Kuya. Parang awa ko na. Is it patatalsikin o patatalsikan?
Patatalsikan.
Uy, wow! Ate Nancy, in what part?
Anywhere.
Wow! Wow! That's good! Because of that, Kuya Frank, bibigyan na kita ng pagkakataong makausap ang ating magandang dilag mula sa Australia. Nako, this is your time to shine, Kuya Frank. Malay mo, isang araw pagising mo, nasa Australia ka na nakahiga.
Si
Hello po. Kumusta po?
okay lang.
Ano po trabaho nyo?
Cook.
Oh, you're a chef. I work in a pharmacy and I work in one of the big companies sa Australia. So you are a good cook then?
Gusto mo, ikaw pang lutuin niya, ate.
What can I say? Sana ako-
Sabihin mo, ducks or jutes?
Ducks or Jew?
Herma Dax. Herma Dax.
Ducks daw? Ducks daw? Ay, mahirap ba yung maging duck?
Ako, ate, parang hindi mo na-experience. Di ba German yung asawa mo, ate?
My ex is British.
Oh, British. Oh, yung asawa mo, ducks or jutes?
Wala sa dalawa.
Ah? Saan? Extra jutes?
Yes.
Kuya Frank, gusto ni Ate Nancy maka-experience ng ducks, kaya nagtatanong siya kanina, how to be duck, sabi niya. Kailan ka daw magbabakasyon sa Pinas, Ate Nancy?
Maybe next year po.
49 years old na si Kuya Frank noon. Ikaw naman, si 51 na.
In person, I'm not looks like a 50 years old.
50 may gata pa?
Opo.
Kuya Frank, baka magkaroon ka pa ng menopausal baby niyan. Ang tanong dyan, Kuya Frank, makakaisa ka pa ba?
Kahit tatlo, Kuya Mar.
Paano ba yan? Tatlo. Si Ate Nancy, 4 ang gusto.
Apatin ko kung gusto niyo.
Oh, that's great. Oh, that's great.
Kuya, i-prepare ang Drive Max at
Ito, Kuya Mar, kahit walang drive na.
hanggang 3 lang kasi kanina ang kaya niya eh. Kung gusto mo pang umirit, ay kailangan na ng isa. Isang tableta ba? Isang tableta. Ikaw naman kasi Ate Nancy, 4 gusto mo eh. What are you looking for a man?
Just very understanding, honest with me, and I don't like cheater, lying.
Kuya Frank, isa lang ang tanong ko, Kuya Frank. Kung sakasakaling pumunta ka sa Australia, hindi kaya dudugo ilong mo lagi dito sa babaeng to?
I understand Tagalog and I speak Tagalog as well, but because I've been living here for many years, ever since I was 18, so I get used to it speaking English, but I can speak still because I'm Filipino. I still speak Tagalog, so it doesn't matter.
Paano ba yan, ate, pag nagmumura ka sa kanya, English o Tagalog?
I speak English very bad, and I swear.
Pero kung nasarapan ka, English or Tagalog?
English.
Ano, what did you say always?
Say more.
Ay, more. Do you think, Ate Nancy, you have a spark with Kuya Frank?
I can see it. Because I like the men that will attract me as well. But I'm attracted to him a bit. So is he attracted to me? That's my question.
Kuya, ano pa? Alangan naman sabihin mong hindi. Oh. Kuya Frank, ito nang sagot sa kahirapan. Huwag ka nang magpanda.
Yes.
Wow, parang siya ang nag-yes ah. May ligawan pang nangyayari. Ate, 50 na ka ate. Oy,